I am staying at Howard Johnson, one of my favorite places to stay. So I'm here, drop off my bags, and then I will be heading into the park. Lucky for me, my room is ready to go, so I'm gonna go drop my stuff off in my room. I'll give you a quick room tour, and then we'll head to Disneyland. I love staying at the Howard Johnson because the location is amazing. The rooms are amazing, the pool is amazing. There's just so many great things about this property, and it's what keeps me coming back and staying here time and time again. Here we are, just checking into the Hojo. I can't wait to take you on a tour. This place is great. So they have a huge closet right here. I've already dropped my stuff off. Got a safe if you need that. I love the bathroom because it's so bright. It's great to put on makeup in here. 2 sinks. I love 2 sinks. Cute artwork. We've got the shower back here. And if we come around here, there is a fridge. Check that out. So we have the fridge and the microwave and the coffee station. More fun artwork. Drawers. I love it when hotels have storage. There's a desk area over here. TV, cute Mickey Mouse art. And there's a table and 2 super comfy beds. I just love the vibe of this place. The colors are bright and it's just fun and inviting. And look, right out here is the pool area right off my balcony. What a great view. Let's check it out. Oh, there it is, a beautiful pool. This is gonna be a great stay. This is Castaway Cove, a fun little splash pad water park that is perfect for little ones. There's so many fun things to do, your kids will love it. Along with the beautiful pools, the Howard Johnson has beautiful grounds. I love all the greenery and the flowers. It's just so nice. If you are interested in booking this property at a discount, stay tuned because I've got some info so you don't have to pay full price. There is a little store on property that has everything you need. I always stop by here and stock up on snacks and drinks and little things I can eat in the park, but also some things I can have in my room when I get back if I'm hungry or for breakfast. Plus they have some cute little souvenirs too. The Howard Johnson is just an 8-minute walk to Disneyland. It's so close. You have to see how close Hojo is. So there's the Howard Johnson sign, and you see that right there? That's the Matterhorn. And this track right here is for the monorail. So super close to the park, just a really quick walk. If you are interested in staying at the Hojo, and I really think you should, the location's amazing, the pools are amazing, the rooms are amazing. Make sure you don't pay full price. You can get discounted rates through my travel partners. I'll put a link down in the description, or you can give them a call at 855-GETAWAY. Just make sure that you tell them Mix and Some Magic sent you for the best rates. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you're subscribed for more hotel reviews near Disneyland. We'll talk soon.